Okay, we're here with Raine and we're going to be demonstrating the qwuh sound, which makes the qwuh sound, but you might actually find it a little easier to simply teach it to a young child as the qwuh sound. So can you point to the letter qwuh and tell me what sound that makes?
Qwuh.
Okay, can you read that for me?
Quest.
Sound it out for me.
Quest.
Good. Next word.
Queen.
Good.
Question.
Okay, ti makes a sh sound. Okay. Sh. Question. Okay, can you read the sentence for me?
The squirrel squeaked and quickly ran up the tree and.
Okay, good. Good job.